If you look at this product on Etsy, you'll probably say it's a very easy product to design. But that doesn't really matter. What we actually care about is whether this product is making sales or not. Now, if we look a little higher here, we can see that Etsy has labeled this product as a bestseller, which means it's been selling really well, with a lot of sales over the past 6 months. And if we look even closer, we'll notice that it's currently in over 20 carts, meaning a lot of people are interested in buying it right now. Also, the seller priced this product at $2.50, which is actually a very solid price point for something like this. Now, this product, simply put, teaches kids colors, while at the same time helping them recognize objects around them that share the same color. For example, if we take a closer look at the inside pages of this product, we'll see that the first page teaches the child the color red, and at the same time, the child gets to enjoy coloring these images. Not only that, but these images represent objects that are naturally red, like an apple, a tomato, a strawberry, and more. So it's both educational and fun, which makes it a very important product for kids. And overall, this product includes the 8 basic colors that every child should learn. Now here's the best part. If you want to design a product like this easily, and even better, all you need to do at the beginning is decide on the 8 basic colors for kids, and then choose, let's say, 4 objects that represent each color so the child can learn them clearly. What I personally do is go straight to ChatGPT, and I ask it to generate 4 objects for each color, and within seconds, it gives me the 8 basic colors along with examples for each one. After that, the second step is designing the interior pages of the book using Canva. But before we jump into the design phase, I want to tell you something very important. This week, I added 5 brand new secret products to my 80 book bundle, specifically for Etsy. That means the bundle now includes 80 books, and each book has around 30 full pages that you can easily edit using Canva, or even Illustrator if you prefer. And you're not just getting PDF files, you're also getting Canva template links that you can fully customize, combine together, and even use to create entirely new books. The bundle includes 80 core books, plus 15 secret Etsy products that are only available to buyers. These 15 products are exclusive, while the 80 books can be previewed through the website link I'll leave in the description and the pinned comment. And by the way, the price of this bundle is very low right now, because it includes almost every type of book you can imagine to succeed on Amazon or Etsy, plus over 7 years of experience in this field, which will save you months of work. But keep in mind, the price will increase very soon, and new products are being added every single month. So if you get the bundle now, you'll continue receiving new products over the coming months. Get the bundle now at its current low price, and I'm sure you'll benefit from every single page inside it, especially if you're serious about succeeding on Etsy or Amazon. And by the way, product number 1 and product number 11 are completely free for anyone visiting the website. Just click on them to see examples of the secret products, and I'm sure you're going to love them. They'll honestly impress you. I'll leave the bundle link in the pinned comment and in the video description. So go grab it now and start your journey to success on Amazon and Etsy. And now let's move directly into Canva so we can design the product for this video. I'm going to create a new design with dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches. And personally, I like my page to look clean and well organized so it really grabs the buyer's attention. To start dividing the page, I'll go to the Elements section, then head over to Shapes, and I'll add a square. After that, I'll add a border to this square with a thickness of 2, and then I'll change the fill color of the square to white. Now I'll slightly resize the square, move it upward, and then extend its width so it becomes perfect for the title area. Next, I'll duplicate this square and adjust the size so that the page contains 4 squares in total. Each square will hold one of the images related to the color of this page. After that, All I need to do is press the letter T on my keyboard to add text to the page, and then I'll change the font to one I really like. Now I'll write the title of the first page, which is Color the Pictures in Red. This page will be dedicated to the color red. And to make it more visually appealing, we can change the word red into the actual red color, which not only looks better, but also helps the child recognize the color itself. After that, all I need to do is take the 4 objects that ChatGPT generated for me for the color red. For example, an apple, a strawberry, a flower, and a fire truck. I'll place these words inside the 4 squares at the bottom of the page. Now we're left with one final step for this page, which is adding the images that the child will color in red. So what I'll do is copy the first word, apple, then go directly to the Elements section and search for Apple Outline. You'll find a lot of great options there. Just pick the one you like and place it inside the first square. Then, using the exact same method, I'll add a strawberry, a flower, and a fire truck into the remaining 3 squares. And that's it. The process is super simple. It won't take you more than 2 minutes per page. And I'm telling you, I'm very confident this product can generate sales for you. This is the kind of product that should be in your store, whether you're selling on Etsy or Amazon. As I always say, the first page is usually the hardest. But now we're moving on to designing the second page. All I'm going to do is simply duplicate the first page, and this will become the page for the color blue. Now don't forget, very important step, I need to change the title to Color the Pictures in Blue. And of course, I'll change the word blue to the color blue instead of black. This adds a much more attractive visual look and helps the child recognize the color better. Next, we go back to ChatGPT and copy the words for the color blue. Then we place those words into the 4 boxes just like we did before. This keeps the structure consistent and makes the learning experience smooth and easy for the child. Now comes the third step, which, as you know, is the final step. I'll add the images related to these blue objects, so the child can color them in blue while also learning their names and shapes at the same time. And once we finish all the pages, we simply export the product as a PDF file. After that, I'll leave a video below that shows you exactly how to sell this on Amazon, using the correct method step by step. So make sure you watch it. It's a complete system. And don't forget to grab my bundle of 80 books. Actually, let's say it's now a bundle of 95 products. I'll leave the link in the description and the pinned comment so you can access everything easily. I'll see you in a new video, and I hope you truly benefited from this one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.